Well, the governor directing state office buildings to be closed to the public tomorrow because of this impending winter storm. The governor also directing all level 2 state employees who have been coming into work in person should stay home. Those able to telework should continue to do so. The governor releasing a statement tonight saying, in part, "I strongly encourage everyone in Connecticut to stay off the roads on Friday morning unless absolutely necessary, particularly during the height of the storm, so that DOT crews can clear the roads and keep everyone safe."